Did you know that mice have a diverse diet? These little creatures are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. They enjoy munching on seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. But they also have a taste for insects, worms, and even small birds or mammals. Talk about being versatile. When it comes to their physical characteristics, mice are small in size, usually measuring around 2 to 4 inches long. They come in various colors, from brown and gray to white and black. Their fur is soft and can be short or long, depending on the species. As for their habitat, mice are found all over the world, from forests to grasslands and even in our homes.
Did you know that mice are incredible travelers? These tiny creatures have impressive migration patterns. Some species of mice migrate seasonally, moving to warmer areas during the winter months. They can travel long distances in search of food and shelter. But don't worry, mice are not endangered. They are of least concern according to conservation organizations. Despite their small size, mice are quite intelligent. They have problem-solving skills and can even learn to use tools. Their senses are also remarkable. Mice have keen eyesight, a strong sense of smell, and specialized hearing. In history and culture, mice have played various roles. They are often depicted in folklore and mythology, symbolizing different things in different cultures. When it comes to human interaction, mice can be both loved and loathed. Some people keep them as pets, while others consider them pests. Fascinating, isn't it? Did you know that mice are highly social creatures? They live in groups called colonies and rely on communication to survive. They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking to interact with each other. When it comes to reproduction, mice have interesting mating rituals. The males perform courtship displays to attract females, and once they mate, the gestation period is only about 19 to 21 days. After birth, the mother mouse takes great care of her offspring, nursing them and keeping them warm until they are old enough to venture out on their own. Mice have some amazing adaptations that help them survive in their environment. They are excellent climbers and can squeeze through tiny openings due to their flexible bodies. They also have keen senses of hearing and smell, which help them detect predators and find food. Speaking of predators, mice have quite a few. They are hunted by birds of prey, snakes, and even some larger mammals. But don't underestimate them. Mice are skilled hunters themselves, preying on insects, seeds, and even small animals. The life cycle of a mouse is fascinating. They are born blind and hairless, but quickly develop and grow. They go through several stages of growth, shedding their baby fur and developing adult features. On average, mice live for about 1 to 3 years, but some can live up to 5 years in captivity. Did you know that mice are omnivores? That means they eat both plants and animals. When it comes to their dental anatomy, mice have sharp incisors that help them gnaw through food. They also have molars at the back of their mouths for grinding. Mice are skilled foragers, using their keen sense of smell to find food. They can climb, jump, and even swim to gather their meals. In terms of digestion, mice have a relatively simple digestive system. They have a short digestive tract, allowing them to quickly process their food. To regulate their body temperature, mice rely on their surroundings. They don't sweat or pant like humans do. Mice have lungs for respiration just like us. They breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. When it comes to movement, mice are excellent climbers and can squeeze through tiny spaces. They have a flexible skeletal structure that allows them to navigate their environment with ease. In terms of reproduction, mice have a short gestation period and can have multiple litters in a year. They provide parental care by nursing and protecting their offspring. Mice have well-developed senses, including sharp eyesight and a keen sense of smell. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, from squeaks to ultrasonic sounds. During courtship, male mice engage in elaborate displays to attract females. Mice are territorial creatures and mark their territory with urine and scent glands. They have unique sleep patterns with short periods of sleep throughout the day. Mice molt their fur to maintain healthy coats. As a defense mechanism, mice can be fast and agile, making it difficult for predators to catch them. They also have the ability to blend into their surroundings. When it comes to navigation, mice rely on their memory and sense of smell to find their way around. In captivity, mice can adapt well if provided with proper care and a suitable environment. Lastly, mice cannot hybridize with other species. So there you have it, some fascinating facts about mice. So next time you see a mouse, remember how social, adaptable, and resilient these little creatures are. They may be small, but they have big personalities.